Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 1 of December. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so starting off with utilities is getting its usual $50. So let's see how much we have in utilities because I just paid it. So 50, 125. So we have 125 in my utilities envelope. Okay, onto our cash envelopes. Okay, onto groceries. So we don't have any money left in our grocery envelope, and groceries always get $120. Gas is getting $20. You guys, these $20 bills are fresh. Next is spending, and spending is getting 20. Beauty is getting $10. My beauty envelope is getting a little thick, so I definitely need to condense that. I think I have over $100 in beauty. I haven't touched this money for like over a month already. Okay, and next is giving, and giving is getting $5, and I still have the $5 from last week, but I'll leave it. So here's the 5 for this week. Okay, onto my Sika funds. Okay, starting off with Lanesia is getting $25. So 20 and a 5. So Lanesia has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000. 1, 2, 3, 400, 20, 40, 5. So Lanesia has $6,445. Next is Jaden, and Jaden is also getting $25. So Jaden has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000, 1, 200, 20, 35, 40. So Jaden has $6,240. Vacation is getting $10. We have 150, 70, 80. So 180 in vacation. Next is family time, and family time is getting $20. I do need to stuff family time a little bit more next week because Lanesia wants to go see Disney on Ice, and the tickets are like $50 to $60 a person. So we have $90 in family time. It's gonna be her first time going to Disney on Ice. Me too. It looks pretty cool, and she loves Frozen. So next is drip, and drip is getting $30. So we have 100, 200, 20, 30 in drip. So 230. Okay guys, onto my emergency fund binder. Okay, starting off with my cash emergency fund. So that is getting $20 this week. We have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800. So 1800 in my emergency fund. Okay, next is my house emergency fund. So as you guys know, I'm gonna start saving up for a down payment for a new house. So you guys also gave me a great suggestion to do with my 5K challenge money. So once I complete that challenge, I'm actually gonna put it all into the down payment for my new house. I'm not looking into getting a new house yet, but sometime probably in a year or so. So I do want to have a good amount saved for a down payment for a house. So that's why I am stuffing $150. So we have 1,150.75. So $1,175. And also I will be stuffing consistently $100 plus in my house fund, is because I paid off my credit card. So we are going to be taking out my debt snowball envelope out of this binder. Okay, next is my car emergency fund. So that is getting $25. So we have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 50, 70, 90, 610, 615, 620. So 1620 in my car fund. Okay, on to health. Health is getting $25. Lenasia needs some vitamins soon, so I'm gonna have to take out this envelope when I do buy her vitamins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 50, 70, 95, $600. Alright, no more debt snowball, guys. I'm super excited. I am so happy. I finally paid off my last credit card. So bye bye to this envelope. Okay guys, onto my pink binder. Okay, so Christmas is getting $20. So we have 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 20, 30. So 630 in our Christmas envelope. Okay, and next is back to school, and back to school isn't getting stuff, but let's just count how much we have in there. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80. So 180. Next is invest, and we didn't have any money from our cash envelopes, leftover money. So next is gifts, and gifts is getting $20. We have 50, 70, 90, 105 in gifts. Okay, on to my saving challenge. So my saving challenge this week is getting $90. So 50, 70, 90. I have 3 boxes left to go. Next is my boyfriend's saving challenge, and where are we at? Oh, 55. Oh, I only put 50 here, so I'm gonna have to pull $5 out and fill that up. So here's the 50, and let me get $5 real quick. Okay, so here's the $5 that I pulled out of his wallet. So there's the 55, and let me change this real quick. So he has 2 more boxes left to go. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and if you guys had placed an order on my website, I'm still working on orders. I still have a lot. Please be patient. Your order will be sent out soon, and thank you guys for all your support. It means the world to me. Okay guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye.